their instincts tell them to do. Is you good girls? Good girls? Lionesses, you got your bird, you got your prey. Would you just lay dead? Trying to get you outside. She wants you to move, dummy. You just let me pick you up and scooch out.
She looks at her.
That is the bird squawking, you know.
Yes.
Did you get the bird squawking?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, gee. Chill.
She thinks this is fun. Should we just let her kill it or what? Or should we try to get it out?
Try to get it out, I guess. Ooh. Ooh.
We're watching. Move. See, she wants it to move.
Hey. You having fun there?
Yeah. Send me all the pictures you took.
It's all on video.
Oh,